Welcome back everyone to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill and today we are going to be covering some Kobe 6 Protros. These are known as the All-Star Game Hollywood 3Ds. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back everyone to another unboxing and review. If you're joining us for the first time, welcome on in. Be sure to hit that subscribe down below if you're not already subscribed to the channel, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy these unboxing and styling segments. Today we are going to talk about the Kobe 6 Protro All-Star Game Hollywood 3Ds. We'll go through the overview of these, jump into size and fit, followed by how I styled this, a really cool color combination. Then we'll conclude with how these are currently doing on the resale market. Let's jump right into it. So as you can see, I do have two different pairs. So this came in adult sizing as well as GS sizing. So I decided to pick up two pairs to kind of see the key differences between each. And I will kind of go through my analysis of them and talk about why I feel like it's okay to get GS if you can fit in this size range. So as far as the name goes, it kind of just gives you the entire concept behind the sneaker, which this colorway originally released back in 2011, which just so happened to be the All-Star Game, which took place in LA. Fast forward years later into 2026, the All-Star Game back at it in LA again. So it makes sense that this re-release happened when it did, because it is kind of a celebration of what originally was the first release of these, fast forwarded back to that same exact location, which is LA. And as far as the conceptualization of this is really cool. It's a 3D concept. So it's really cool just to the naked eye as well. It kind of looks honestly a little cartoonish, but we've got the same kind of Python print that we're used to seeing on all the Kobes. This one has different outlines of red and blue hues, but of course it's going to have a different complete look and feel on the upper and side profiles. But when you look through your 3D glasses, it did take me a second, I'm not going to lie, to find a pair of these glasses within the box. I also kind of for a second thought that maybe Nike forgot to send me my glasses, but lo and behold, after a little bit of extra searching, I was able to find these. Honestly, seeing the pictures of these on the sneakers app, I thought that they were going to be a little bit nicer pair of 3D glasses. I thought they would be actually at least plastic, but these are definitely the cheapest variation of 3D glasses that you can probably find on the market, but at least it gives you an idea of what these will look like with the glasses on. As far as the upper goes, we've got a simple upper. It's just simple gray, and then we've got the Kobe branding here. One is in red, one is in blue. So let's take a look at those details, then jump into the side panels. right, so wrapping around to the side panels, you'll notice that the medial side has a blue swoosh on it, and then when we flop it around to the lateral side, you've got a red swoosh mark, which is really cool. It also kind of matches that color coding that you see on the Python branding here, where it's on one side blue and the other side red underneath. Then on the interior, we've got a 2026 logo with the 3D goggles on the back of the tongue there. And then let's see what we've got. The same 2026 with the goggles. Just want to double check and see if the grade school has the same. Grade school has exact same branding and logos as well on both the tongues, so nothing different there. And then when we wrap around to the back of the heel, we've got the two-tone color combination, red on one and blue on the other. Then when we work our way down to the midsole, all charcoal gray, and then this translucent clear outsole, which works its way to the bottom in black and red. So on each side as well, since the colors are flipped on the medial and lateral, you're getting different color schemes on both sneakers. So on one sneaker for the right and left, you're going to see different color combinations. On the lateral side and the medial side, the same. Color combos are swapped. They did update this sneaker though from the last with some improved tech, more responsive foam in this one, which is great. You also have Air Zoom Turbo, so lots of great energy return in these, really good traction. As most of you know, I absolutely love Kobe's in general. I love the Kobe 6 Protro. Decided again to pick it up in both size ranges to kind of see any key differences. Honestly, the grade school fits me perfectly. It's a lot better price point. So if you're somebody like myself who can kind of finagle their way into grade school sizing, save yourself the money and pick up a pair in grade school if you can. All right, so let's look at those last and final details and then jump into size and fit. All right, so as far as size and fit goes, I honestly feel like sticking true to size in this pair works perfectly. On some of my Kobe Protros, I highly recommend sizing up, but for this Kobe 6 Protro, I fit true to size, which worked great. Again, a little bit more of a narrow fit typically, but these actually have a nice little bit more of extra space and room as far as width goes on the toe box. So sticking true to size will work great if you do have narrow feet or even a little bit wider feet. All right, so now let's talk about styling. I kept it pretty simple with a nice athletic outfit, some nice tights in navy, and a nice just jacket in navy as well. I feel like navy tones, gray tones, red tones, blue tones will go great with this, even all black.
Turn off the lights, I no longer take no advice. I'm more calm when not being told. Lot of ice in my Miami Vice. I'm not known, but I'm on my way. By the way, I roll up these dice. You can tell I don't gamble, only put dough on shit I know like. The back of my hand, perhaps you like to shoot craps. Well, if that's your vice, nice. I hope you win, throw caution to win. Stay up all night, at least till 10. But if we do, we sleeping in this mattress nice. My cash is ashes to ashes, burn fast as passenger flights. Don't know no absence, it go 500 asking. Am I right? Got people praying and passion alone will last. I hope you win, throw caution to win. Stay up all night, at least till 10. But if we do, we sleeping in this mattress nice. My cash is ashes to ashes, burn fast as passenger flights. Don't know no absence, it go 500 asking. Am I right? Got people praying and passion alone will last them. That's alright. You gotta fall a couple times to be a winner, flashing lights. The jackpot is singing, it's spring and the summer, gonna crack some ice. The temperature rising.
Now let's talk about how these are currently doing on the resale market. So the adult pair retails at $200, going between $230 to $400 on the resale market, and for a great price point, The grade school pair is going for a random price of $122, but again, a lot less than the adult pair is. All right, everyone, that is it for this unboxing and review. If you joined us for the first time, thank you so much. Be sure to hit that subscribe down below if you're not already subscribed to the channel, and give this video a thumbs up. My name is Marissa Hill. This is ShadeTV. We'll catch you all on the next episode.
More grown, so no more bitching and whining Sonoma, right?